How to delete app daily limits on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down, and then in here we tap on screen time. Next, we go down and then tap on app limits. Next, tap on a section that has the app limit, and then we go down and tap on delete limit. Then tap on delete limit. And that's it. Once it is deleted, you can create a new app limit, or you can choose to have it completely off. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key. Once you have removed app limits, then you should have no problem using any apps on your iPhone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.